Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Yakuza Kiwami 3 and Dark Ties game. Crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, lagging, stuck on loading screen, freezing, or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. If not, next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and finally select the game and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings on PS5. Now click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. You will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Next select console storage and then tap on delete option. Once you have done this, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will surely help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to restore licenses. So for that, open settings on your PS5. Now click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Yakuza Kiwami 3 and Dark Ties and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5. Now select system. Now go to system software, then select system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available and finally select update using internet option. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last select restore option. After that, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to reinstall Yakuza Kiwami 3 and Dark Ties game. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Then select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install the game again to check for the error. If the issue continues, then a final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link I have already given in the description. You have to explain whatever the issue you're coming across to the support team and hopefully they will try to resolve it and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.